it's time. We're gonna start on the 62. Got this thing, got the dual carb kit ordered by Makuni. So I'm gonna get these carbs pulled off of here and go ahead and start breaking them down, getting them ready to put the new kits in them. So let's get this thing up on the table and start tearing it apart. Oh, nice. This is some pretty nasty looking stuff right here. You can definitely tell this has been in salt water, so pull this head and look at this, and then we'll pull the exhaust off too, because I'm going to end up putting a different pipe on this. So let me get this yanked off, throw some paper in there, block it off. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do a lot of cleaning on these. Nice. So we got some trash down in there on them. We'll see how deep we get, but I don't know if y'all saw, I don't think I didn't video this part, but we did a compression test and I'm getting 158 evenly across both of these cylinders. So good news on that side of everything. It's just obviously getting all the fuel stuff set up, and then we'll get all this popped off of here, and we're going to throw it back in the SuperJet once we get it, like I said, cleaned up, getting the new carb kits in these, and getting these. I think a couple of these screws are froze, the adjustment screws, so I'm going to let this thing soak. Give me a bunch of fuel, put it in a little bucket, and let it soak, and see how much that'll help when I go to tearing it apart. But that's what I got going on for right now, so hope y'all are excited about the 62 build. Throw out the 61, which is, the 61 still does really good actually. Well, see, this one only had like 135 across both, so it was a pretty worn cylinder, cylinders. But shave the head, and I'm like just over 150 now on both of these. So once I get that one, probably gonna put a different head on that one with some domes and everything, and build that one up pretty good. But for now, I'm probably just going to throw it in there the way it is, you know, stock head and all that, and run it, and just hold on to this engine, keep it as a spare, because like I said, I got a 61 in the blaster, so I can keep this 61 for something ever happens to that one. I can throw this one in there and keep going and everything. So that's the plan. But we'll get going on this 62, get this dual carb ready to go. Got the 62 carbs, dual carbs pulled off, breaking them down. You can see all the crud and everything breaking down off of them, and got the carb parts, all that kind of right here. Not done so far. We got the flywheel, got this off of there, and I'm not sure if the flywheel was bad or if maybe some of these little metal pieces were actually making contact and then shorting it out or something, because that might be what it was, shorting it out. But we're gonna go ahead anyways, because I know the stator, this is all what they told me, and I don't want to stick it in the engine and the stator actually being bad. I do know the e-box is pretty trashed anyways. So, and I've got a MSD I got an MSD enhancer, ignition enhancer, so I got that coming. So I'm gonna pull this flywheel, the stator off, pull the flywheel and stator out of the SuperJet and throw it in this one, so I know it works. I'm actually going to send off the flywheel, all the flywheels off, get them light and everything too, so I can get a little bit more quicker, you know, RPMs, revving it up faster and all that. So Yep, so far this is what I got. Like I said, I'm about to pull the stator out. I got the two little small screws. There's one here, one here. Alright, we'll get y'all caught up on my progress with the SuperJet and getting the 62 in there. Here is 61. Got it pulled out and everything. Got the flywheel pulled out of it and all that, and got stator and flywheel, the lighting flywheel stuck in this one. So got it, and got the billet coupler put on there. I haven't bolted up and everything because I found an issue. The mid shaft, the housing is broke loose from the rubber, so I'm going to end up, from what I've been told, it's going to take on water whenever I do that. So I'm going to have to pull that back out and get this replaced and get the shaft pressed into a new one. Got it ordered right now, so waiting on that, but we'll pull the engine or slide it forward and take the mid shaft out and wait on that. But that's where we are at the moment, so getting closer. Okay, got a quick update. I've done a bunch of stuff to the SuperJet. One is, if you can't tell, the remnants of this. When I pushed the shaft out of that one, it ended up, the bearing was completely shot as well, but I installed a primer kit because the chokes were messed up on the dual carb setup. So I got those removed and put the, like I said, the primer kit. I've already done a startup and everything. I guess I could do one right now for you. We'll wait to find out, right?
Well, here we go.